Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good morning to all my beloved students. So today we are going to do a writing task. Can you please turn to page 104 of your textbook? This time around you are going to write a formal letter or a formal email applying for a job. So you need to write about yourself when you want to apply for a job. When you write a letter applying for a job, you want the reader or the recipient, penerima, to think you would be good at the job. Jadi bila kita tulis surat minta kerja, kita mahu penerima, bakal bos, fikir yang kita sangat bagus untuk buat kerja berkenaan. Introduce yourself and include any information that is relevant to the type of work you want. Kenalkan diri anda dan sertakan maklumat yang berkaitan tentang jenis kerja yang anda mahu pohon. Write about related qualifications you have. Tulis tentang kelayakan yang berkenaan yang awak ada, your work experience, pengalaman kerja and the things you do in your free time. Perkara yang anda buat semasa anda pada masa lapang anda. In an exam situation, you can use your imagination. Semasa dalam exam, situasi dalam exam, kamu hendaklah menggunakan imajinasi anda. Okay, before we start writing, let's do some run-up exercises. Okay, part 1. You are applying for a job as a hotel waiter or waitress in the summer holidays. Okay, who knows, okay, you want to take up a part-time job after SPM, becoming a waiter or waitress at a hotel. Okay, who knows? Maybe after PKP, after COVID-19 pandemic, okay, you can work in a hotel. Here, tick 6 pieces of information you would write about in your letter. Pilih 4 jenis maklumat yang anda mahu, 6 maklumat yang anda mahu tulis di dalam surat anda ataupun email anda. My age, okay, of course, my age, my family, no need. Where I am studying, okay, you need to mention, okay, where you are studying or where you were studying. Next one, where I live, maybe you need to include maybe, okay. Next one, my qualifications. For example, Cambridge English, yes, you must include this qualification and other qualifications as well. Next one, sports medal, maybe, okay. Next one, I worked in a cafe last summer, okay, yes. My father works in a hotel, no. My hobbies, for example, cooking, yes. Chatting with friends on my computer, no. The type of friends I have, no. So, in all, you need to mention about your age, okay, where you are studying, where you live, my qualifications, I work in a cafe last summer, and my hobbies. For example, cooking. You may include sports medal if you apply for a job in a sports department, okay, or in a gym, for example. Okay, next one. Question, okay, 2, part 2. Your hobbies and experience show a lot about you. Hobi dan pengalaman menunjukkan siapakah anda. For example, if you help arrange a school excursion, kalau anda pernah menolong menganjurkan excursion mean trip, school trip, lawatan sekolah, then you are probably good at organizing. Jadi anda bagus dalam segi menganjurkan sesuatu perkara. Which of these skills below will you probably have if you have done the following? Manakah kemahiran yang di bawah yang anda akan ada jika anda telah melakukan perkara-perkara berikut? So, let's take a look at the skills first. A. Can work under pressure, boleh bekerja di bawah tekanan. B. Good at working with people, boleh bekerja sama dengan orang lain, boleh bekerja dengan orang lain. C. Can do hard physical work. Boleh buat kerja-kerja fizikal yang sukar. Okay. D. Good with young children. Sukakan anak-anak kecil. Good with money. Boleh menguruskan wang. Good organizer. Penganjur yang baik. And lastly, polite. Bersopan santun and helpful. Membantu. Okay. So if you have done, okay, number 1. I was on the school committee for 2 years. Saya ni HK di sekolah untuk 2 tahun. Okay. So you might probably have, okay, these two skills, B and F. For number 1, the answer is B, good at working with people, and F, good organizer. Okay, question number 2. I work in a bookshop during the holidays. Saya bekerja di kedai buku SMO semasa cuti. Okay, and for this experience or job, you might have these 4 skills. A, okay, can work under pressure. B, good at working with people. Okay. E, good with money if you have worked as a cashier. And G, polite and helpful. A, B, E, G. Okay. Next, number 3. I help my parents on their large farm. Saya membantu ibu bapa saya bekerja di ladang yang luas. The answer is C. Can do hard physical work. Okay, number 3, C only. Number 4. I did babysitting at the weekends. Saya mengasuh bayi semasa hujung minggu. The answer is B and D. Good at working with people, and D, good with young children. Next one, number 5. I was captain of the sports team for 2 years. Saya ni captain pasukan sekolah. Bola ke, bola tampar, pingpong, badminton. Okay. So your skills are A, B, F. A, can work under pressure. B, good at working with people. And F, good organizer. Okay. And lastly, I work in a cafe during the busy tourist season. Saya bekerja di cafe semasa musim pelancong ramai datang. So your skills are A, can work under pressure. B, good at working with people. E, good with money. And G, polite and helpful. Okay. We stop for a while. Okay. I'm going to continue with the second part of this video soon. So stay tuned.